If you sell on Amazon, Flipkart, Instagram, or any other marketplace, then you have to be aware about the challenges which is coming on your way. I will not only tell you the problems, but I will also explain you that how you can overcome all these predictable consequences which is coming on your way. In the next few minutes, I will explain you the limitations and challenges of selling in marketplace like Amazon, Flipkart, and Instagram, and the future projection for sellers selling in marketplace in terms of dominance, data, policy change, commissions, legal actions, and profit maximization. And along with that, I will also explain you few benefits of having your own website which help you to overcome all the challenges which you are facing selling in marketplace, and you can able to maximize your profit margin up to 60 to 70% selling a single product. But before I move ahead, I just want to give you a quick disclaimer that this is only possible if you are planning to do your business for the long term. And then we will move to seller story and profit comparison between selling your product in a marketplace like Amazon, Flipkart, and selling your product through your own websites, and why you should have your own website for brand identity to overcome all the challenges which you face as a seller marketplace in terms of automations, remarketing, email marketing, database target audience, brand identity, and social media marketing, both organic and inorganic. And then we will move on to which platform you should use for building your website. You must have aware about these multiple platforms are there which allow you to build your own website. We're going to do the comparison between the price which you have to pay for building your website and which platform is best when you are starting up your e-commerce journey with your own website. I know you might be thinking that I'm selling my product through Amazon, Flipkart, and other marketplace. Why should I need a website? I'm doing great. Well, you can able to find all your questions answered after watching this video till the end, where I'm going to give you a complete analysis that why you should have your own website, what is the benefit, and how it's going to help you to increase your sales and profit maximization. With that said, let's start. Why selling in marketplace is always a challenging task. Number one, dominance. When you start selling on marketplace as a new seller, it's very hard to compete with this existing seller in your category. They might having a lot of reviews, social presence, social proof, and word of mouth. Number two, policy change. These marketplaces change their policy very frequently, and due to that, it's create a lot of complications for the sellers to provide the documentations and selling in this marketplace. Sometimes they increase the commission rates, referral fees, and closing fees for selling their product on their platform. Number third, data. Data is one of the most important things for any business. Sometimes this marketplace use your data of the most selling product into the category, and they launch the similar product to get the sales and get more business for themselves, and which again creates a lot of problem for the new seller and existing seller to get the sales, and which lead them to take the advertising campaign for selling their product and bring them into the first page of the category. Number four, government legal actions against this marketplace. Recently, a lot of countries have put allegation on Amazon or other marketplace that they are misusing the data and they giving a special preference to a specific sellers, which again increasing the competitions, and the other sellers have to pay a lot of amount for the ad campaign. The cost of acquisitions also gets very high. Recently, Indian CCI have mentioned in their report. Number fifth, profit maximization. If you are already an existing seller on any one of these marketplaces, Instagram, Facebook, Flipkart, then you are already aware about the charges which you have to pay to these marketplace for selling your product. And after paying all the commission, you roughly make 25 to 30% profit margin on every single product. And this profit margin differ product category to product category. If you go with the cosmetic section, there you have to pay different commission fees. So this is the calculator which you can use it to calculate that how much amount you have to pay as a referral fees if you are selling your product on Amazon, Flipkart, or any other marketplace. Now let's start, and let me give you the reason that why you should have your website for your brand. Number one, there will be 2.14 billion global digital buyer by the end of 2021. That's a lot of potential customer. In fact, with an expected global population of 7.87 billion people, that's about 27.2% of the world population shopping online. And this number is increasing rapidly as we have seen that the impact of COVIDs bring everything on a digital platform. People are involving more and more in a e-commerce industry for selling their product and service. Number two, in 2021, e-commerce sales are expected to account for 18.1% of retail sales worldwide. In other words, e-commerce industry is taking over. This statistic clearly shows how e-commerce is becoming a more and more important part of global economy. It's growing so quickly that it expected to take 2.2% of retail sales worldwide. Third, 81% of consumers conduct online research before making purchase online. Research is very important part of online shopping. Before buying any product, your consumer do proper comparison of pricing, knowing the information about the product, that what they are getting. In this way, they make the decision that which brand they have to go, which product they have to take. So if you would have your own website, you can able to list out everything about the product, what are the ingredients you have used, the price comparison with other brands, and that's help you to increase your conversion and your consumer will buy your product. Number four, 90% of consumer trust the advice of friend, family over business. That makes sense, right? Before you buy any product, you take the reference from your friends, family, your loved ones to know that which brand they should go, which product they should buy. And this is what we call in psychology social proof. So with the help of your website, you can able to increase and show the testimonials even in more effective way, and that will help you to increase the conversion rate. You can able to display the people conversation, you can able to display their brief testimonials in terms of video, audio, text, and that will help you to give you a social proof, and again that will help you to increase your sales. Number five, 58% of people stop doing business with the company because of poor consumer experience. Consumer experience is one of the most important fundamentals when it's come to selling product, whether offline, online. Once you let down consumer expectations, it's very hard to regain those expectations once again for selling your product. So providing a good consumer experience will help you not only increase the sales, but they will bring a lot of social reference as well. And if you have your own website, you can able to do multi-marketing integrations and that which help them to increase their consumer experience in terms of discounting, in terms of extra feature, 3D dimension you can include, and this will help your consumer to get better consumer experience, and that's again will increase the loyalty for the brand, high purchasing rate and retaining customers. Number six, consumers are most likely to trust a business that make it easy to contact people at the company. Relationships are vital in business. No matter whether you sell your product online or offline, if you have a good relationship, good communication with your customer, it will help you not only to sell your product, but they're going to buy it over and over again. Because if you look at the consumer buying behavior, they go through multiple process, and one of the process is communications, contact. So if you provide a better contact system to your customer, and that increases the chance of getting sales for your brand, for your product. Only 1.94% of e-commerce visits convert into purchase. Roughly speaking, this is the actual conversion rate of e-commerce industry. Only 1 out of 50 visitors convert into your buying customer, and that's a lot of missed opportunity. If you'd have your own website, you can able to track those visitors through email marketing, through paid ad campaigns, and a lot of remarketing strategy you can use to showcase your product and provide them better offer so they can convert. And that's only possible if you have your own website. If you're selling on Amazon or any other marketplace, their remarketing is very difficult. But here on your own website, you can do remarketing in multiple ways. Number seven, 70% of shopping carts are abandoned. People are coming to your website, they're going through the product, and suddenly somehow they are not buying your product. What is the reason behind that? If you have a look in your marketplace, you have been noticing that people are adding their product in their cart and somehow they are bouncing back. without purchasing the product. If you sell on Amazon and Flipkart, they would not allow you to do remarketing campaigns for the abundant cart, and you can do it right on your own website, and you can automate this entire process without any human involved. You have to do one-time settings, and automatically the email marketing follow-ups will start going to the person who left the product in the abandoned cart. And in this way you can able to increase your sales. You can provide them better offers so they can get convert. Success story for the brands who sell their product through their website. There are hundreds of brands having massive success during this lockdown. Here I want to show you some of the successful e-commerce brand which sell their clothing, their merchandise, their products through their website, and they have massive success. Fashion Nova, Gymshark, Kylie Cosmetic, BioLite, Colourpop. So these are the brands who have massive success during this lockdown. They all have their omni-channel approach. They are interacting with their buyer through multiple platforms, both marketplace, and they sell through their website also. So you can have the same approach to sell your product. Ultimately, you have to create your own brand. This is the motive which you should have if you want to sell your product and create your own brand for the long term. You can't depend on these marketplace all the time. So it's time for you to start your own website where you can list out all the product on the website and people can buy it directly from your own website. In that way you can able to minimize the cost which you're actually paying on this marketplace, and you can have profit margin roughly to 60 to 70% on every single sale you make, because here you don't need to pay any commission to any platform. You are doing it on your own website, and this can be only possible in the long run. So this is the thing which you have to keep in mind, that you have to interact with your customer in a multiple channel way and try to increase your brand visibility. Now the question is how I can help you. My name is Daulat Hussain. I work as a website developer. I have been in this industry for the last 2 years, helping brand building their website and setting up all the important integration which they want to sell their product online, and increasing their social presence, because that is the ultimate goal. People will see your brand on a digital platform. The more they will see, the better conversion you will get. And all the strategy I build for the brand in the website so they can have a smooth selling automated system. I know this video is getting very long, but you have to understand one thing, that if you really want to sell your product, you can't be dependent on this marketplace. You have to take your step. You have to create your own website. Only in that way you can able to have your business in the long run, because this marketplace will change their policy at any given point of time, and again you will have no option. So before that situation comes, you have to have your own website. So below I have given some informations about the demo website which I have built. You should check website. So there is a complete details in there down below, so you should check that. So if you want that I should build your website, so you can contact me. There is a contact button down below. Just click on that button and just book an appointment with me and tell me your requirement, that what kind of website you want, what are the features you want in your e-commerce website. And I have also given some demo website which you can check from your end, and if you need any customization in that, we can do it. So all the informations are given down below. Just go through that, have a look, and just check that what are the features we have included, how we are doing the optimizations. And if you like any one of these websites, just do let us know. We would love to help you in building your website, because I still remember that when I started my journey in this e-commerce industry, I have my own store. I was selling product on this marketplace, so I built my own web, and this is how I came into this industry. So I thought that why not help people building their website so they can take their store online and they can sell their product through their own web. So hit that button down below and get a free consultancy where I can explain you everything about the e-commerce store which you are planning to build as per your product and as per your service, which platform you have to pick for your products. If you are starting at an initial stage, you don't want to spend a lot of money for building your website, so that's you have to keep in mind. So just hit the button down below and get in contact with me. It's a free consultancy where I'm going to explain you everything, that what are the things you have to do. And I'm not telling you that you should let me build your own website. Just let me tell you what are the things you need to do actually, and I will give my proposal. If you really like it, it's good. If you don't like it, you have multiple options in the market. So do let me know. I hope you have liked it. If you have any questions, just hit that button. We'll get back to you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.